Good day everyone and welcome to my webinar, 3 ways connecting 2D and 3D helps you design faster. I'll be presenting this webinar. My name is Tian Arabi and I'm the applications engineer working for Baker Baines. Who is Baker Baines? We are the fastest growing design and technology partner in South Africa, an Autodesk authorized gold partner that specializes in a few fields. We are specialists in Autodesk CAM. We are a fully Autodesk authorized training center. We are the exclusive partner of Adobe. We have been advocating blended learning for years. We are the exclusive partner of CAD learning, online e-learning, and user assessments. We are a Devotech IDaaS partner, HP hardware business partner, a TopCon partner, Leica BLK 360, and we are BEE level 2. At Baker Baines, we believe in designing a better world. We have a technological role to play in influencing the impact of design in today's changing world. In delivering a better product or project, we have the proven ability to engage with and consult with our clients to improve the delivery of any project and manufactured product. In technology adoption to produce results, technology is just a tool, but with our experience, we can ensure it produces tangible results that impact the bottom line. Our industry expertise, what are we good at? We are good at buildings and construction, civil engineering and infrastructure, product design and manufacturing, and process plant energy and mining. On the agenda for this webinar, number 1, connect 2D and 3D workflows. Number 2, improve design efficiency. Number 3, get more value from 3D. And then number 4, questions. If you do have any questions, you will see that my email address will pop up at the end of the webinar. So if you have any questions, you can always send me an email and then I can give you answers. All right, I'm going to start. The ends are more important than the means. Your work is judged by its output. Elegantly designed products that serve customers well, design cycles quick enough to edge the competition, and budgets and timelines that match reality. Everyone else, all the customers and buyers will always judge the outcome of your product, what it looks like, how strong it is, etc. But for you, the means are crucial. The right design platform powers your success. Every engineer has definite preferences and comfort zones, like a favorite pen or a favorite pair of shoes. Design in 3 dimensions, they said. It will be fun, they said. A new system removes expert level familiarity. Seems like overkill. Are we using a sledgehammer to swat a fly? What about my legacy data? You need the right application to do the right type of work. So if you want to design 2D, you have AutoCAD. If you want to design in 3D, you have, for example, Inventor. What if we didn't have to choose between 2D and 3D? The best solution would be a collection of interconnected products that allow easy switching between 2D and 3D. You can choose the right tool for the right job. What this means is you don't have to choose between 2D and 3D. You can have both of them. For example, having AutoCAD and Inventor. The 2D part is AutoCAD, the 3D part is Inventor, and both of these 2 programs can work together with each other. The Autodesk solution: build seamless association between 2D and 3D platforms. AutoCAD, like you can see there, and Inventor. AutoCAD and Inventor have interoperability built in. Keep your data intact, integrate at your own pace, design in the tool that works best, and use 3D visualization when needed, even from 2D designs. So if I have a design in AutoCAD and it's 2D based, you can always put that design as an underlay into Inventor and design your 3D model. I'm going to show you a video. Okay.
What you see isn't always what you get. Parametric 3D CAD can be the difference between confusion and clarity. Giving you intuitive models that make sense to designers and non-designers alike. Plus, there's more to 3D CAD than better design visualization. Your entire development cycle has something to gain. Adding 3D means you can spend less time on manual tasks and design changes, boosting the speed and efficiency of your design process. Connecting 2D and 3D workflows ensure you always have the right tool for the job at hand, improving flexibility and reducing error. With the ability to perform advanced simulations, produce high-quality renderings and animations, create NC toolpaths for models, and generate documentation that automatically reflects design changes, you can get so much more out of your 3D models. These tools help designers work more efficiently, make collaborators more safe, and empower you to deliver more value to your customers from the first draft to the final delivery.
Right. Now, what this video means is that they basically tell you to always double check and make sure before you want to design something, to be sure that you have the correct software. If you want to design something in 3D, you want to see a 3D model, you can do that in AutoCAD, but it's going to be so much better for you to have Inventor. It's only there to help you, to make your life easier, and also to be more productive at the end of the day. Luckily for us now, Autodesk and Inventor works together. So if you do have something in 2D, you can always put it over into Inventor to help you and make a 3D model. Number one is to connect 2D and 3D workflows. Choose the right tool for every job. Thanks to associative connections between AutoCAD and Inventor, easily generate 3D models from existing 2D design files, mechanical concepts, wiring diagrams, or large-scale production system layouts. So if you do have a 2D model design, you can put it over to get a 3D model, or vice versa. If you have a 3D model, you can always put it over and get a 2D design as well. Legacy data lives on. Reuse your library of 2D designs by referencing DWG files into Inventor as associative underlays that can be used to generate a complete 3D model. So let's say when a client sends you a 2D drawing in AutoCAD, but they want to see their design in 3D, you can put that design from AutoCAD as a DWG into Inventor as an underlay to design the 3D model. So you already have your basic layout as 2D, and then you can just design that 2D design and make a model of that design. No need to redo legacy data or face a cumbersome migration process. You can reuse models every single time, how many times you want. So let's say you do have a 2D design or a 3D model, you can use it over and over and over again. Design in one platform, visualize in another. Enjoy the flexibility of AutoCAD for fast mechanical concept designs. Then import that 2D concept into Inventor to create a 3D model for checking interferences and analyzing motion. It's always best to see the 3D model, because when you have a 2D design, you can only see as much as the design allows you to see. So when you have a 3D model, you can see so much more, and then you can see, okay, the model is not going to work anymore because these two parts aren't working together. So it's always the best to be able to see a 3D model than just a 2D design. Concurrent design made easier. Design electrical and mechanical systems concurrently with a link between AutoCAD Electrical and Inventor. You can get a catalog of 3D parts mapped to components in the electrical schematic, along with automated wire connections and harness layout. Add another dimension to source geometry created in AutoCAD by producing associative 3D Inventor parts. Use 3D models for advanced simulation, collision checking, renderings, and NC toolpaths, plus a number of additional downstream applications. You can always choose the right tool for the job with associative DWG workflows that enable seamless movement between 2D and 3D. Even if the geometry changes in AutoCAD, the Inventor part will update automatically. Build at scale, then test easily. Create large-scale production systems by placing components and optimizing factory materials flow inside AutoCAD. Then automatically generate a 3D representation of that model inside Inventor that can be used for collision detection and visualization of the final design. Number 2, improve design efficiency. 3D Autodesk Inventor, that's the 3D part, and the 2D part is Autodesk AutoCAD. That both of them equals a faster, more responsive process, which means you're more productive. Reduce time spent on manual tasks by adding parametric modeling to your development process. Handle late-stage design changes more easily. Automatically update all downstream deliverables and automate common modeling workflows. A change anywhere updates everywhere. Quickly make design changes and immediately see updates reflected in the model by modifying the parameters that define the product's geometry. You create your 2D documentation and drawings as native DWG files in either Inventor or AutoCAD with bidirectional associativity. Now the current state. In 2D only environments, you must manually redraw changes. This often proves tedious and time-consuming since there aren't defined parameters nor modeling history. Forge tighter connections between design and the shop floor. Instantly update all downstream deliverables such as drawings, NC toolpaths, and bill of materials whenever a 3D model is changed. So when you change something on the 3D model, all of that will change automatically. Generate NC toolpaths with a CAD integrated 2.5 to 5-axis CAM software that automatically updates to include design modifications. The current state. In 2D only environments, many of these aren't delivered at all. If they are delivered, each one must be updated manually to reflect any changes to the design as it progresses. Get a level up in automation. Less time on drudgery equals more time to innovate. Automate common modeling tasks and control product configurations. Built-in rules-based design technology can easily define logic, no complex programming necessary. The current state, some degree of automation is available through the AutoCAD API and scripting. However, it can be difficult to learn and cannot easily be set up to complex product configuration. Number 3, get more value from 3D. Remove lost in translation issues by communicating in a more intuitive language. Secure buy-in and approvals from non-technical staff far easier. You can produce high-quality renderings, animations, walkthroughs, or VR experiences of your product to convey the proposed design clearly. Improve your productivity across the entire development cycle by using your 3D model to optimize performance. You can perform advanced simulation, produce high-quality visualizations, create NC toolpaths, and generate documentation that automatically reflects any changes to the original design. Not only does 3D modeling help the designer and end user visualize space requirements, but also it improves drawing efficiency and accuracy. 3D modeling for design allows the designer to see what they would not see when designing in 2D. It gives the designer the ability to physically see how much real estate an object takes from all perspectives. When designing in 2D, the designer needs to create a separate plan and evaluation view to see the space requirements of an object, which takes longer to do. Optimize design performance and easily reuse models. Perform advanced simulations of your Inventor 3D model for linear and non-linear stress, fatigue, vibration, thermal, and more. You can easily reuse existing 2D and 3D models as the basis for future projects, eliminating the need to remodel existing components that may only need slight modifications. It's far cheaper to break things and blow them up in virtual space versus the real world. So let's say in 2 years, you might need the same type of model you designed. You can just reuse this one and just make small changes if it is needed. You don't have to design a new model from scratch. You can just use the same model, change a few stuff if it's needed, and there you go. The world is flat and also round. Autodesk Inventor, 3D CAD software that offers professional grade 3D mechanical design, documentation, and product simulation tools. Autodesk AutoCAD, it's a computer-aided design CAD software that architects, engineers, and construction professionals rely on to create precise 2D and 3D designs. Now the PDM collection, PDM stands for Product Design and Manufacturing. That is a set of integrated 2D and 3D CAD, CAE, and CAM applications for product development and manufacturing planning. What Autodesk Product Design Collection can do for you: mechanical design. Design, test, and manufacture products by using a rich collection of connected 2D, 3D, and cloud-based engineering and design tools. Electrical design, associativity, connect 2D schematic data to their 3D model counterparts. An electromechanical workflow speeds the design process and helps reduce the likelihood of design errors. Factory design, convert factory layouts that were designed and optimized in AutoCAD into rich 3D models. Combine them with point cloud data to create a complete digital factory for review. CAE is the abbreviation for computer-aided engineering, which is the analysis of the design visualization. In short, the difference between CAD and CAE can be put this way. CAD is for designing a product, and CAE is for testing and simulating it. "3D Inventor plus 2D AutoCAD equals better together." Both of them separately are also great programs to work with, but putting them together makes it so much easier for you, and it is better together. Right, if you do have any questions, on the next slide, you will see my email address. It is tian@bakerbains.com. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will get back to you with your answers as soon as I can. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day further.